Welcome to Guide Up. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to turn on or off voice control in iPhone. Turning off and on voice control on your iPhone lets you manage how you interact with your device using voice commands. When enabled, you can perform tasks hands-free like opening apps or sending messages using simple voice commands. Disabling it or turning it off stops the device from listening for commands, allowing for traditional touch interaction. Now, in order to do it, you need to go on your settings. There you can see the accessibility option below general. You need to tap on that. And here, if you scroll down a bit, there you will see this option voice control. You need to tap on that. Now at this page, at the top, you can see voice control. Currently, it's turned off. It means that the device won't be listening for commands or allow any traditional touch interaction. Now, in order to turn on, you need to simply toggle up the button. Now you can see that your voice control has been activated. Now to turn off, you need to simply toggle up the button. And here now you can see that the voice control has been turned off. And this is how you can turn on or off voice control in your iPhone. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Up. Thank you.